There's a variation of the Montagnais flood legend that mentions giants. So we're going to put a separate pin in. We already put in the pin for the Montagnais or Innu people that live in the Quebec Labrador area. But this legend was like this variation of it was recorded by Henry Farraud in 1864, and it mentions that God was angry with the giants. The man was commanded to build a large canoe. He does that. He gets in, and the waters raise until you can't see the land anywhere. And then after getting really tired of being on the heaving waters for a long time, he sends out an otter. And the otter comes back with a little bit of land, but he doesn't know if it's enough land. So he sends out a reindeer. It comes back quickly. Obviously, there wasn't enough land. So he keeps doing this until there's mountains, rivers, lakes. Only then did he leave the canoe. But here again, we had the same thing: universal flood, judgment, a man commanded to build a wooden vessel, waters raise and cover the earth. The earth is restored after an animal is sent out to check and see the progress of that, and then finally gets out. Because this one, though, adds in this element of giants, we're going to put a green pin in to represent the giants. Again, we're tracking flood legends through this book, but this is a variation of the legend, and anything that brings up giants, I want to make sure we can see. So we're putting the green pin in for that.